Did you know that California uses a specific formula for temporary spousal support? But when it comes to long-term support, multiple factors come into play, like marriage length and standard of living. Online calculators can be a helpful starting point, but remember, they're not binding. Each case is unique, and understanding the guidelines is crucial for fair negotiations. Exploring different support structures is key. Options like lump sum, fixed term, or step-down support can significantly impact financial planning for both parties. Discussing the pros and cons of each structure helps find the best fit. Remember, waiving support is also an option if both parties agree. Avoid demanding too much or refusing to negotiate. This can lead to costly legal battles. Be realistic about income, expenses, and future financial stability. Focus on mutual agreement to ensure a fair outcome. A balanced approach benefits both parties and prevents unnecessary conflict. An informal agreement isn't enough. Your spousal support terms must be included in the divorce judgment and filed with the court to be legally enforceable. Visit divorce661.com for guidance on including spousal support in divorce paperwork. By doing so, you'll protect both parties and ensure a clear record of the agreement.